Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? So in today's age of AI doing everything for everybody for every task, people are even using AI to scrape leads. And in this video, we're going to go over the disadvantages of AI and why manual scraping from our friends at Lead Sniper is still the best option. So let's dive in right now and check it out. All right, are you guys ready to check out Google Search Scraper in action? So I have two copies open. You're just going to type in the name of the business, the region, the postal code, the city, and the state and country. So we're going to watch it go. Boom. You just type in whatever you want and let it go to work and sit back and relax. And guess what? It's going to do all the work for you. Look at it work. It's magic right there on the screen for you. Now, it's going to scrape the location that you searched for, right? The region, postal code, country, and city. So you can download it as a CSV or XLSX. But the beauty of it is if you have Google Chrome open, you can just drag and drop right from your browser into Google Drive. Make sure you have Google Drive open and it will pop up right there. And you are going to get the email, the phone number, the physical address, the website domain, and all the other contact information depending on what you filtered out in the search results yourself. This program has been doing amazing things for my business. I absolutely love it. So guys, get started with it today. Google Search Scraper is awesome. Rock your business from our friends at Lead Sniper. All right, guys, Google Search Scraper is on the agenda today from our friends at Lead Sniper, and this is the most powerful Google Search Scraper in the world. You can get it for $149, one-time payment only, no hidden fees of any kind, 24/7 support. Should you have any questions about the software, maybe it's not working properly, maybe you have questions about the functionality and how it works, they're there to answer all of your questions. You can also try it for free with the free trial, but the best part is those unlimited leads. And I'm one of those happy 12,000 customers that they have. Look at all the statistics they have done with this program. It also has amazing features. It's fast, it's seamless, it's easy to use, and you can learn how it works right here. But also the cool thing about it is that it scrapes from over 18 fields. How awesome is that, guys? Absolutely amazing with simple, affordable pricing. But let's talk about the disadvantages of using AI to scrape leads, as I said in the beginning of the video. So the first factor is that AI can be very costly. You often need paid versions to access that specific feature. Nobody wants to pay extra. If you're already paying for software, you don't want to pay more money. It also can be limited as it's often restricted per query or per credit, making it not very feasible to use and quite limited. Can be complicated as scraping may not deliver the best results, all right? And you don't want that because you often need to run multiple queries to get the leads that you want. It also can be slow. Process can be daunting, slow, and may take longer depending on the complexity of the task, okay? So let's break down the pricing now. As I said, the starter package is $149 for one installation. Get it for life, 24/7 support, unlimited leads. Our popular installation, $267 for 5 installations. Again, one-time fee, unlimited support, unlimited leads, and you can also do free trials with any of these packages. Or our best value, $389 for 10 installations, one-time payment, 24/7 support, and unlimited leads. Again, free trial as well. So guys, get Google Search Scraper today and rock that business. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So as you can see, Google Search Scraper from Lead Sniper is still the best option as it has the most features, and you can get it for $149 one-time fee, only pay once, and you get the 24/7 support if you have any questions or queries, and you get unlimited leads, and you can do the free trial. Click the link down below and get started with Lead Sniper today and rock that business.